Hi, I'm Aaron from 2H Media, and in this video, I want to talk about Chat GPT. Now, Chat GPT has been blowing up around the world lately, and we're getting asked about it all the time. A lot of people have heard that it's new and exciting, but don't really know what it's all about. I see people claiming that it will do everything from fully replacing copywriters to replacing your search engine optimization tools. So, what the heck actually is it, and how useful is it in your marketing? I'm not going to get into the first question in any level of detail because there are a ton of people online already breaking that down, and the conversation can get very complicated. In simple terms, Chat GPT is a really advanced chatbot that is very good at having conversations that sound like something a natural human might say. To answer the second question, you need to understand where ChatGPT really shines and where some of its obvious shortcomings are. Where it shines is in the area it was designed to, generating responses that sound really human. In terms of applying that, ChatGPT can be a really good time-saving tool if you know what information you're trying to convey, but you're maybe not the strongest writer. By feeding it something rough and asking it to put it in a more friendly or more engaging way, ChatGPT can do a really good job of taking your notes and turning them into copy text that's perfectly serviceable for an email, or even in some cases, a short script for a video like this one. There are a few things that you have to watch out for though. Number one, sometimes it'll include information in its responses that you didn't ask it for. The reason for this is it's trying to give you the most complete response possible, and if there are gaps in the prompt you've delivered, ChatGPT is going to pull on its training data to fill in those blanks with reasonable guesses about the topic you're covering. Breaking that down, if you were to ask for an explanation about your marketing services, ChatGPT might talk about company values that don't actually relate to your company, or specifics of service offerings that you don't really offer. From an e-commerce standpoint, if you ask ChatGPT to describe a specific pair of shoes, you better watch out because it might try to describe the materials and the design in ways that don't actually match the product that you're selling. Now, all of that being said, the content does tend to be fairly well written. So if you're really struggling with your product descriptions, for example, ChatGPT can be a great tool for putting those together quickly, as long as you're watching carefully to make sure that all of the information being conveyed is accurate. In terms of replacing professional copywriters or full-fledged SEO tools, ChatGPT is not the solution that some people are claiming it to be. It's an excellent tool for producing content when guided by an operator who knows what they're doing. I see it as a very cool piece of software with excellent use cases as one more tool in the toolbox, and if you're a business owner with some free time on your hands, I encourage you to check it out. That being said, if you're looking for something more complex like a content strategy or communication strategy, ChatGPT is just not going to get you there. And that's where agencies like mine come in. I would encourage you to book a strategy call with one of our experts. We'll take the time to get to know your business, develop a plan that makes sense for you, and answer your burning questions so that you can move forward with confidence and clarity. If that sounds impactful, then book a strategy call. And in the meantime, thanks for watching.